just thought I'd do a quick tank update. I've just added a few more neons. Some of them are tiny. There's 2 of them down there that are really small, but they've literally just been released about half an hour to an hour ago, long enough for them to settle before I put the light on. I've taken cuttings off of these. Now these came in one of them little round grow pots about 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks, and in that time they've gone from this size and they're literally taken over. So I've took some cuttings off the top because I think they're meant to be the roots, the stem parts, and then just the plant on top. So I took some cuttings and planted them like that, and they're taking so well. My Java ferns are all growing the new ones across the top, so they'll grow, then fall off and plant them, and then they grow into new ones, which starts like that. I started with one of those plants about a year ago. Now I've got, I think there's about 50 in there. I've got a tank full of them downstairs. Elliot's got some in his tank. There's a load over the back in there as well, you can barely see. Well, I got some Salvinia the other day, I think that's what it's called. I got a tiny little pot of that stuff, and that is doing so well. As you can see, it's claimed this area of the tank and grown over to there, but the joy is it still lets light through. So once it gets to about here and it's solid, I'll start taking some out and giving it away or whatever. But where we used to live, neons, for example, and that wouldn't grow. That would just go brown and die off, and the neons would basically die off as well, because the water parameters were different. But where I am now, the water comes out the tap perfect. So I was like, I'll try some neons. I've had it months, so I've just added some more today. Slowly adding, sort of 6 or so at a time. Build up the group and let the filters establish. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick heads up, quick view of the tank. I like how it's coming on. Got to wait for things to grow in. I got some more grasses on the way and things for it, but I like it. Oh, these are also growing shoots out as well, fresh shoots out the side of them down there, and I can take some cuttings off of them. But yeah, there we go.